Welcome back, students. Now we will start the second lesson. From the first lesson, computer language, the topic is omitted. So now we will start the lesson 2. Advanced features of Windows 7. In this chapter we will see about Windows 7 operating system, working with multiple applications, disk cleanup feature, the library, and searching for files and folder. First, the Windows operating system, it is created or founded by the Microsoft company. The Microsoft company, the co-founder is Bill Gates. You know, one of the millionaire in the world. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft company. They started the OS with Windows 1, then Windows 3.1, then Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8, Windows 10. Now in this chapter we will see briefly about the Windows 7, advanced features of Windows 7. First option is desktop. The first screen that you see once the OS get loaded is the desktop. Means this is the desktop. As soon as you open the computer, the OS is loaded up, that main screen will come. That screen is called desktop. Okay, the desktop contains a start button. This is the start button. Okay, this is the start button. Then taskbar. In that bottom, can you see the horizontal bar? That is called taskbar. And then few graphical images called icon. This, can you see small dustbin and small computer? This is called icons. Small graphical images is called icons. Next, first we will see about the computer. The icon allows you to open any drives and move to any folder. When you double click on the computer icon on the desktop, it opens the Windows Explorer, showing all internal and removal drives in your computer. Now, if you want to open the drives, you have to double click on the computer. You can see local disk C, software D, entertainment E, files F. These are called hard disk drives. Means it is fixed in the computers. Okay, now you cannot remove this. So if it is fixed in the computer, that is hard disk drives. Okay, hard disk drive. Now you are inserting a pen drive on this. If you insert the pen drive, it will show as a removal disk in your computer. Can you see removal disk? If it is a removal disk, means that is a portable disk. Now for example, pen drive, memory card, hard disk, external hard disk, these things are called devices with removal devices. Okay, you can remove. Okay, you can remove. If you want to remove the device, click this eject you have to give. If you give eject, it will be removed. Okay, now you can remove the removal disk. This is called hard disk and removal disk. Then you can also create new folder and copy, move, rename or delete files and folders from this window. Now we have seen about this creating folder, copying folder, everything in 5th class we have done in our practical. Next one is recycle pin. This is recycle pin. This file is recycle pin. Okay, can you see a small dustbin? This is called recycle pin. Now if you don't want any file, where you will put in the dustbin. In computer also like same only. If you don't want any file, you can put in the dustbin. Now I don't want this file cat4. I am going to delete this one. I deleted. Now where it went? It went to recycle pin. It went to recycle bin. By mistakenly you have deleted the file. You want that back. You have to open the recycle bin. How will you open the recycle bin? Double click on the recycle bin. You will open the recycle bin. Now you can see that file what you deleted. That file will be there inside the recycle bin. Now here it is. Now you want to restore this. Click on the file. Here restore this item. If you give restore, it will come out from where you have deleted. That same place it will come back. This is the function of recycle bin. Next one is file and folder. Folder means, can you see the yellow color one? That is called a folder. In a folder you can keep some files. Folder contains one or more files or can be empty. This is an empty folder, inside nothing is there, so this folder is empty. But this folder, I kept some folders also, I kept some files also. Okay, so you can keep files or folders inside the folder. Okay, this is file and folder. Next one is taskbar. At the bottom of desktop, you can see a taskbar. The blue color horizontal bar in the bottom of the screen is called taskbar. In the taskbar, some icons will be there, different running programs will be there. Otherwise, frequently whatever you are using, that also you can pin in the taskbar. Okay, this is the function of taskbar. Next one is the one of the important topic, working with multiple application. Now I am going to work with many applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything. In every software I am going to work now. Okay, now we will see how to work in simultaneously. First one is arrow peak. Okay, arrow peak means nothing. Now I have opened the new 3 folders. Here. All the folders are here and there it is. See, one folder is this side, one folder is here. Okay, one folder is here. Now if you want to open arrow peak, means you click here, then you click any one, remaining things will go as a transparent. This is called arrow peak option. But whichever folder you are selecting, that will be shown on the desktop. Remaining folders will be like a transparent, that you cannot see, but only that which one you have selected, that one only you can see clearly. This is called arrow peak option. Next one is arrow shake. Arrow shake means nothing. You have to click on the title bar. Title bar means nothing. The folder's top window is called title bar. Okay, this area is called title bar. You have to click the title bar. You can shake here and there without removing the mouse. This is called arrow shake. Next one is arrow snap. Arrow snap means nothing, like same arrow shake. Click on the title bar, move to the right side of the desktop. It will be pinned to off of the desktop. This is called arrow snap. I am going to snap into the left side. That's all. This is arrow snap. No, I don't know. I want in the right side only. Click on the title bar without leaving the left click. Pin on the right side. This is called arrow snap. No, I want full screen. Leave on the top. It will become a full screen. This is called arrow snap. Next one is live taskbar thumbnails. Now I have opened the 4 folders now, where it will be everything minimized here. Now can you see 4 folders are here. These 4 icons are called live taskbar thumbnails. Okay, live taskbar thumbnails. Next one, using jump list. Jump list means now frequently what you are using, not frequently also we cannot say, recently what you have used. Now I am going to open the MS Word. There will be one small arrow mark to the right side. If you click recently, what did you use? Whatever files you have used, everything will be here. I have used this file. You can open this one. This is called using jump list. You can open the recent file whatever used in your computer. This is called using jump list. By using the jump list, you can access the recent files. Okay, you can access the recent files. Next one is disk cleanup. For example, now you are living, you have your own room. Okay, if you are not keeping clean your room, how it will looks like a very messy. You cannot walk here and there. It will disturb you. Okay, you cannot walk fastly in your room. You can go slowly. You may fall down. Okay, so for that what you have to do? You have to keep clean your room. Computer also like that only. You have to keep clean your computer. There may be some unwanted files, some caches, some temporary internal files, and downloaded program files will be there. So for that cleaning, what you have to do, you have to click the start button, all program, then accessories. Here it is accessories. Then you have to go for the system tool. In the systems tool, you can see the disk cleanup. Now I am going to clean the disk C. select which disk you are going to clean. I am going to clean that disk C, give OK. Then it will search whatever temporary files is there, whatever error memory dump files are there, every files it will search folder by folder. Now it searched and showed the result. Now I am going to give OK. If you give, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes. If you clean the computer, then only you can use little fast your computer. Okay, you can use little fast. Next one is Windows Flip. Windows Flip. Windows Flip means nothing. Now you are using Android mobile. In the Android mobile you are using WhatsApp, YouTube, then gallery, then video, everything you are watching. For that, if you want to change one to another one, means how you can change. Now there will be 3 buttons will be there in the down of your mobile. You can click on the option button. It will show whatever you have used, right? It will show all the applications like computer. In the computer, what you have to press? Alt key plus tab. If you press Alt plus tab, all the folders whatever currently you are working, everything will be shown here. Here one Word file is there, here one folder is there, here one more folder, here one more software, here PowerPoint is there, everything will be shown. This is called Windows Flip. This is called Windows Flip. Next one, Windows Touch. Windows Touch, like our same Android mobile. If you want to open application, what you will do? You will touch on the application, it will open. Okay. If you are using a touch PC or tablet PC, you can touch the file to open. This is using Windows Touch. Next one is library. For example, now our school library, what are the things we have in our school library? We have plenty of maps, we have different kinds of books we have, then different kinds of notebooks we have. If you want to science book, you will go to the science section. If you want English book, you will go to the English section. Now in computer also there is a library. Okay, there is a library to store the documents, pictures, videos and files. To open the library, you have to open the computer. In the computer left side there will be one folder named libraries. If you click the libraries, there will be documents, music, pictures, videos. These things are in the library. You can store some files of related to documents or music, pictures and videos. Okay, this is called library. Next one, Windows Flip 3D. Windows Flip 3D, this is the attractive option in the Windows. Windows key plus tab. If you press the Windows key plus tab, you can see all the currently working applications on the window. It will go as a slideshow on the desktop. Okay, now I want this folder, it will come. Now no, I don't want, I want to work on the Word only. Then you can open the Word. No, I want the Excel file here. You can shuffle by 3D option in your computer. This is Windows Flip 3D. Next, one of the important topic is searching for files and folder. Searching for files and folder. If you want to search a file or folder, what you have to do? You have to open the start. For example, now I am going to search this file Cat4. I don't know where did I kept it, lost. Now I am going to search here Cat. Where it is Cat file? Now here it is Cat6, Cat4, Cat5, all the classes class wise. Now I found the Cat4. Here it is. I opened the file. Now I found the Cat4. Okay, now I found the Cat4. Here only you can search. Then you can search by the file type also. Now if you want to search the image file star.jpeg, now whatever is related to JPEG files, everything will shown here. Next I want to search document files star.doc. Everything related to document file, everything will be shown. Okay, this is searching files. Okay, this is how you can search the files, that much only. Okay, if you are not understanding, you watch it again slowly, then you will understand. If you have the computer, whatever step I have done, you follow the steps, you will understand very easily and very quickly. Next, now after watch these 2 videos, okay, I will send you the answer key of the lesson 1 and 2. Lesson 1 and 2. you write down the answers in your notebooks. I will give only 3 or 4 or 5 questions each lessons. That much is enough for your exam. Okay, that much is enough for your exam. From that 4 or 5 question only, from the 4 or 5 questions only, that exam questions will come. So learn the questions. Okay, thank you.